Hello, everyone. With you, Krivulia Andrew Charlie. And in this video, I'll show the new clumps feature in Ornatrix 4, which came out recently. Please, if you want to support this channel, watch the video until the end, because there is important information about this. Recently, a new feature named Dynamic Clump was introduced in Ornatrix. If I turn on the enabled option now, I activate this function with one clump. The number of clumps can now be changed with this slider. But before I show its work, I'll tell you what I set up in this scene. After clump, I added a modifier generate strand data with these options to visually show the change in the number of clumps. For the modifier to see the clumps group, the add clump index channel option must be enabled in clump. So, I turn on the visual display of changes in the clump settings. Now, you can move the slider in dynamic clump and clearly see how the number of clumps changes. So, we can dynamically change the number of clumps, and it is much more convenient than the old workflow. I also want to show that with this workflow, it is more convenient to add subclumps. Let's imagine that I have 80 basic clumps with this curve. Next, I turn on the second clump with these settings. After, turn on Generate Strand Data with these settings for the visual display of new clumps. In this way, it is much more convenient to control and see that everything is divided correctly and evenly on all sides. If you like this video, don't forget to write about it in the comments, put a like and subscribe to the channel. And please watch this video until the end. Friends, if you need quality 3D hairstyle references, go to the 3D.sk website. The site has two categories: Groom 3D scans and Groom photos. There aren't many scans on the site, but there are enough hair photos to start making something for your character already. Just a reminder that you can become a channel sponsor and get a voiceover in another language, a collection of my references, and a 100% discount on all my assets. Just click the join button to do it. If this is your first time on this channel, then here you can learn all the tricks and secrets of 3D grooming in Ornatrix. Also, get your questions answered and get inspired by references from the games. Subscribe and write in the comments how long you do 3D and why you chose this field, what influenced this. If you like what I do, I would be very grateful for any donation to Donatello at the link in the description and channel header. Buying my models on CG Trader or ArtStation, as well as the purchase of any of the plugins at the links in the attached commentary. What's in it for you? It's very simple. If enough money is collected per month, I will be able to devote my full time to creating lessons for you, not 3 hours a day, which, as you have already noticed, not enough for the fast release of new episodes. Also, don't forget to check out the YouTube community as I share there all kinds of news, uploading answers to questions, talking about the time spent on lessons, and so on. And, of course, don't forget about my Instagram, where I upload all my work and work in progress.